I used to ride in Bern. There is a FMB bronze level contest here, and I'm gonna look at it a bit and then hopefully try out the jumps. Yeah, let's see how it is. I used to hear some sound. Oh, pedal. Yes. Oh shit, I really want to ride.
Yeah.
Is it good jumps?
Good jump, big jump.
Super stylish.
So nice.
Super stylish. Super technical. Let's see. Full gas, in a drop. Body hop in, backfoot bar spin. Über de eerste stroef. Jetzt mit de Lurgen. Der ist geil. Nein! Leider irgendetwas schief gegangen und die Signature nicht können auspacken.
Oh, he landed a bit flat there. Yeah. Oh shit. Now it's the top 3 that are going, the last 3 guys, because these are the second runs, right?
Yeah, second run, yeah.
So I missed all the first runs, but it's pretty sick to watch.
Okay, 360 X up, 2 on turn down. Funktioniert super, perfekt kommt. Und der 720 funktioniert auch. Und jetzt wird's interessant. Kann sich der Schraub verbessern, 360 Bar Spin. Leider der Trick
Nice, first place qualifier.
Und what's it gonna be? A Fischsprung, perfekt. 360 Bar Spin, tail whip 2 X up. Opposite, 360 bar back. Oh, the letzte Sprung back to the bar spin.
Yeah, could be the winning run. Impressive.
Und eine, zwei, 360 vom ersten Sprung. Perfekt. 360. Wow, es blieb crazy. Und 360.
Ooh, crazy. Okay, I padded up and I found some people to ride with, so I'm very stoked. These jumps looks insane, and yeah, I got very stoked by watching the contest runs as well. But yeah, look at this one. Insanely nice dirt jumps. Yeah. Yo. Oh, sick. Yeah, stoked. Yeah.
We got 720 on this one.
Oh. Yo. Cool. Oh, there's so many scary stairs here in Switzerland. So for the speed, just roll. Yeah. Or pump to the last 2, push. Cruise, push.
Yes. But it's super chill.
Yeah. Very nice jumps actually. Yeah. Yo. Is there space still?
Yeah.
Whoa! Did it pop out?
Yes.
Yes. Oh!
Fuck.
Shit.
Oh, no.
I think it was the right.
Yeah. All good. Just make sure to get the dirt out, if there is any.
I'm sure there is some.
Yeah.
Look at the marks in the lane, you see it in the middle.
Oh! Crazy. Yeah, I filmed it, so it will be fun to see the tire. Okay, 3 tables and then you jump off to the left.
Yeah, a little bit tiny jump.
Okay, cool. I follow. So I suppose this is the warm-up, but we do it. Yeah.
Damn.
Wow.
185.
Ah! Okay, I lost him. Yeah, nice one. Ah, no! Very nice jumps, but it's actually a bit different to ride dirt lips, dirt landings. I'm not used to it, I feel. But yeah, I will try to do some small tricks now, just yeah, step my trick level up, and yeah, stoked to ride. It would actually be a bit hard to plan around here because of the speed. I mean, the first one is easy to get it, but the second one, I don't know, you need to do a trick that you go a bit further on or pedal a lot, and I don't like to pedal. And then the last one is pretty nice actually, so I will try to, yeah, step up the run once again. It's very fun doing some riding on proper jumps. Yeah, if you case the middle one, it's impossible to keep up.
When you case the middle one, I had to pedal like 3 times.
Crazy. Okay, maybe I will start pedaling now actually.
Yeah,
okay. Okay, now I want to do flip bar can, whip bar, and then triple truck on the last one. Thank you. Such a intimidating bar spin in a way.
I can imagine.
You ready? Yes. Yeah. So I'm trying to step up the runs run by run. It's actually very funny. I feel a bit like I'm contest prepping, but not really. And it's always a different feeling practicing than doing, or like practicing for a contest run. But yeah, very stoked. Whoa! That was so scary.
Glad that you're fine.
Okay, now we'll focus on flow, I think. Yeah. So something steezy on the first one, knack on the second, and then free whip bar on the last one. That's not so flow, but it's fun. Okay, I'm getting exhausted, crazy. Maybe do some swimming. Okay, I think that's it today. Like, you know, free whip bar, but very stoked to be here riding. Even though I missed the contest by 7 hours or something, I had a very fun time here on the course, and very cool spot actually. Thank you everyone. See you soon.
Woke up out my sleep, had a bad dream, dreamt it wasn't me. I'm dodging Z's, glad straight from Louis V. Like I can't see, this weird to you, but this true to me. Do my own thing.